Turn from evil and do good. Seek peace and pursue it. Psalm 34 verses 14. Hello beautiful family. Warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. I trust you're doing so well and you're taking very good care of yourself. We are still on the Jollof series for the month of August, and this is the episode 4 of our Jollof series. And today we will be making fried jollof rice, and let me tell you, this is an absolute best jollof that you could ever have. You're about to be a jollof pro after this video, and please do well to catch up with the other 3 episodes if you missed any. Okay, do well to also like the video if you like what you're seeing already. Let's get started, family. You are definitely, most definitely going to love this so much. To make the process quite easy for us all, I have my already made tomato stew, and for the rice I do not normally do this, but this time around I'll be using 500 grams of Jasmine rice and 500 grams of basmati rice. And here I have all my vegetables, which I link everything down below in the description box, and I'll be gracing it with some shrimps and chicken sausages. I also have some salt and curry and nutmeg powder just to revive the taste a little bit. So we start with our jollof process real quick. Into my heated pot goes in my tomato stew, then add the curry and nutmeg powder and I'll allow it to steam for about 5 minutes. And I'll also have the recipe of how I make my all-purpose stew, and I'll link it right here for you to watch. And for this recipe, family, I know I say all the time that you should wash your rice. This recipe needs that you wash your rice. It is so important. This is for you to avoid the rice from sticking together and becoming very saggy. We don't want that in this recipe, so you really need to wash it thoroughly until the water turns crystal clear. So once that is done, you go ahead and add your rice in your stew directly and stir it until they are all uniformed. Orange looking tomatoey color is just beautiful to watch, right? So I'll go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt. I'll add just about 2 tablespoons of water to rinse the container in which the stew was, and just add it to the rice. Cover it for 20 minutes, and after that your rice is done. With this, you don't even need to stir, just leave it for 20 minutes and it is done. Your parchment paper on a low medium heat will definitely do the amazing job for you. Just look at that, so good. So once the rice is cooked, find a flat surface and allow the rice to cool down. This helps with the frying process because you do not want them to stick together. Okay, allow it to rest for about 10 minutes before you start with your frying process. Okay, so while allowing that to rest, I'll go ahead and cut all my veggies. Please feel free to cut them into any forms and shapes that you prefer. All right. oil is very moderate, it is not overwhelming, so you have to really take care of that. Okay, was so happy with the outcome of this rice. Trust me, it was just so amazing. Please invite me when you're trying it and I will gladly come. And yes, I'll go ahead with my final touch, which is the spring onions. Oh my goodness, lately I've been using spring onions like crazy. I don't blame myself. It makes every dish look so delicious. Just have a look at that. Oh my gosh. So yes, family, that brings us to the end of our fried jollof rice recipe. I really hope you try this. It's so good. No one, even those with trust issues when it comes to jollof, will give you 100%. Thank you so very much, family, for watching. I do really appreciate the time, and most importantly, I hope you're enjoying all this jollof series that we've been making here. Thank you so much, and do not forget to like the video and give me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this recipe. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video.